Next, I'll be installing the trunk lights. These are one of the most important lights to me because I use this a lot during camping, and it's really hard to see things with these dim lights here. So I'm really excited about these rear ones. Can unplug. These also use the 31 millimeters. You actually need to take them out of these housing, or else it's going to be very difficult to install. So pry the two clips on each side. Once the housing is off, you can remove the bulb, and you can put the 31 millimeters in there. Turn them back into the right direction. Place the housing back on. Do a quick test. It's on. Pop it back in from left to right.